sorry, girl. You have to stay behind. Because we are going sailing. Take me away.
Yes, we're going sailing.
Some friends of ours invited us to go out sailing. I have been when I was a small child, and I remember it was in this bay. Actually, I think my uncle had a sailboat here, and there's a lot of this that goes on in the sails.
There's a lot of what that goes on?
This, and then you have to duck for the sail going back and forth. I don't know. Maybe I was doing it wrong. I just vaguely remember. Now, have you gone sailing before?
I've been on a sailboat when I was in the Coast Guard, but I never actually sailed.
Set sail?
Never set sail, no.
I don't know. Are we just staying in the bay?
I don't know.
We don't know. We're just along for the sail. I am this much nervous about getting seasick. So I didn't take a Dramamine because that really affects me otherwise. I will probably sleep through the whole sail. But I'm hoping I don't end up chumming, so we'll find out. Should we do this?
Yeah, it's going to be good.
All right, let's do it. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited. We just had our safety meeting. This is Joe, this is Megan, and Dave's crew went up front. Here we go. Holy cannoli.
Oh, cannoli.
That was cool.
That was awesome.
My face is numb. I filmed so much my SD card filled up, so I didn't get us coming back in, but that was fun.
A lot of chop.
A lot of chop. Hi, girl.
Salt in my face, been a long time.
Salty dog. He's a salty dog. Yeah. Thank you, Joe, for letting us, for taking us out on your boat.
And Megan.
Megan for crewing. Yeah, it was fun. Yeah.
Now what?
I don't know. I need to warm up. I think I need some hot coffee or something. Maybe a hot chocolate. Yeah.
Hot chocolate it is. I'll go find you one.
All right. All right. Catch you guys on the flip. Say it's your birthday, but na 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 na. It's my birthday too. Na 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 na. It's Pistol's birthday.
Sort of.
Sort of. Pistol had her 8th birthday actually 2 days ago. We were not feeling much like celebrating because we were
busy.
We were busy. We've been busy last 2 days. There's no video footage of what we were up to, but let me just tell you,
Thankfully.
We're the family that does everything together.
It's maybe TMI.
This is a TMI moment, but this is real van life. It's not all clamming and dogs romping, right? So when we're in Nevada, we took care of we get yearly physicals, we get our lab work done, and when we came back to Oregon, it was time for us to get colonoscopies. Dave has never had one, and
I know, I'm late.
He was late.
I had something more important to do than that, and I know that's silly, but anyway.
Better late than never. I have immediate family history of colon cancer, so I've been getting screened since I was in my 20s. So, but I was overdue also. Everything's fine, nothing going on. So, but the last couple days we've been prepping, and then we had our procedures yesterday. We both went in at the same time. We had 2 different doctors. It was crazy.
This is genius stuff right here.
It was not very good planning. We thought it would be nice to both get it done at the same time and just be over with, but that means we both prepped, and we were in the van.
Those of you that know, we prepped.
You know what we're talking about.
In the van
with one bathroom
together.
It was a comedy, let me tell you. It was like, my turn. Oh my gosh.
I think it was my belly hurt from laughing.
Oh my gosh, it was crazy.
Anyway, enough of that topic.
But seriously though, PSA, if it's time to get it done, because it's something that's really preventable if you catch it in time. So there's no reason to not.
Yeah.
Anyway, we are gonna be celebrating Crystal's birthday in my mom's yard because it's nice and fenced, and she has some gifts she needs to open. So we're gonna take care of that right now. She is 8 years old now. She's got a lot of people wishing her happy birthday. Yes. Good girl. You want a present? Yeah? Let's get a present. Woo!
I swear she speaks English.
I think that's a yes. Yes for presents. Okay, got a bag of presents. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Pistol. What is that? Is that a giant cupcake? What else is in there, girl? What have you been up to over here, Messy Marvin?
I've carved quite a few coffee scoops lately.
Yeah.
In fact, I had several for the last few weeks that were like partially finished, and so I think I've got 5 coffee scoops done, so we can put them on the website.
Ooh, I have some new earrings too I need to get up.
So
Yay,
anyway,
they'll be on the website.
sorry,
Carryonvagabond.com.
sorry for the chips in your yard, Susie.
Oh, I don't think she minds.
The grouse will go around them.
It will.
But yeah, I've got some cherry, 2 made out of a piece of cherry from Oregon, and I had some of that eucalyptus that we got in California that fell in the camp.
Yep.
I got 2 more scoops from that.
Nice.
And then I had a piece of mesquite that's been in the van for a while that's finished up. So a little bit of everything.
Excellent.
Yeah, it was fun. I like doing it.
Cool. What's coming up? Oh, you know what? We're gonna go clamming. I think we tried razor clamming this morning and we got skunked. So it's just not a good year for razor clamming. Well, for us anyway. So I think we're gonna head down under the Yaquina Bay Bridge. We'll see if we can't get some gapers or horse necks. Or...
Well, they're a gaper clam, which is, they're like a horse neck. They're like a relative of the horse neck. They're like, I mean, they're like baseball, softball size clams. So
yeah,
if we can get some of those, they're a little harder to get, and it's a little messier, and
it's not as tender or sweet meat, but good
better
for
chowder and like clam strips, and the body's good for fritters. But
let's make some chowder. I have a good recipe for a non-dairy chowder.
oh my gosh.
How is that possible, you ask? Stay tuned to find out. If we get clams, I'll show you how I make.
It's the best chowder ever. Yeah, it's good.
It's good. All right, happy birthday, little girl. Number 8. I hope we have you for at least that much longer. See you guys on the flip side. Carry on.
Carry on.